Squats are a very efficient compound exercise that targets the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and even the core in the lower body. They are a mainstay of leg exercises and can be carried out with a variety of methods and tools. In this video, we will discuss outline of the squat exercise and squats variation. 1. Starting position. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointed slightly outward. Keep your chest raised, shoulders back, and engage your core muscles for stability. 2. Descending phase. Push your hips back and bend your knees to simulate sitting back into a chair as you start the squat. Keep your back straight and your weight on your heels. If your flexibility allows, squat down until your thighs are parallel to the ground or just below. 3. Bottom place. At the bottom of the squat, pause briefly while keeping your balance and composure. Make sure your knees are parallel to the ground and are not folding inward. 4. The ascending phase. As you start to stand back up, drive into your heels and tighten the muscles in your legs. Up until you reach the beginning position, keep your back straight, lift your chest, and extend your hips and knees simultaneously. Key guidelines for correct form. 1. Throughout the action, keep your chest raised and your spine in a neutral position. 2. To prevent straining your lower back, avoid rounding your back or bending over too far forward. 3. Use the muscles in your core for stability and control. 4. Watch out for your knees sinking inward and make sure they are parallel to your toes. 5. Press through your heels to fully activate your glutes and hamstrings. 6. To add resistance as you advance, either start with bodyweight squats or use a barbell, dumbbells, or kettlebells. Squat variations. 1. Goblet squats. As you squat, keep a dumbbell or kettlebell close to your body at your chest. 2. Front squats. Squat while holding a barbell on the front of your shoulders with your elbows pointed forward. 3. Sumo squats. To more effectively work your inner thighs, adopt a wider stance with your toes pointed outward. 4. Squats with a jump. Include explosive activities to enhance a cardiovascular component and boost power, such as leaping squats or squat jumps. Squats can improve lower body strength, muscular mass, general athletic performance, and even fat loss when they are incorporated into a leg workout routine. It's important to begin with appropriate form and gradually increase the resistance and intensity as you get more at ease with the exercise. Keep in mind to pay attention to your body, take rest days. In conclusion, squats are a very efficient workout for strengthening the lower body and improving general fitness, to sum up. They are a compound action that has numerous muscle groups they work, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and core, making them quite functional. Squats also work the stabilizing muscles, which enhances coordination and balance. Squats have the potential to increase muscle mass, boost bone density, and improve athletic performance when regularly included into a workout regimen. Squats are also well known for accelerating metabolism and assisting with weight loss. Thanks for watching.